In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed your online form using Paperform. Whether you're looking to integrate a form seamlessly into your website or simply want to give your projects a more professional touch, embedding is a fantastic way to do this. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll want to head over to Paperform. This is where you'll manage and configure the forms that you want to embed. Simply open your web browser, type in paperform.co, and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you should see your dashboard with all your created forms listed out right there. It's a centralized hub where you can access all the forms you've ever created or will create, making it super easy to start the embedding process. Next, find the form you want to embed. Once you've located it, look for a small icon that resembles three dots, usually located to the side or at the top of the form. This is where you'll find additional options for managing your form. Go ahead and click on it. This will display a drop-down menu providing several options. Among these, you'll see Edit. Clicking on Edit will take you to the form's editing page, where you can make any necessary changes before you proceed to embed it. Once you're in the editing interface, direct your attention toward the top of the screen and look for the Share button. This is an essential step because it paves the way for your form to be visible to the outside world. When you click on the Share button, you'll be presented with several sharing options. For our purposes today, we're interested in the Embed option, so go ahead and click on that. Selecting Embed will bring up various options on how to integrate your form into your website. You'll find several embedding methods catering to different needs, whether you require a full-page integration, a pop-up, or perhaps something more tailored to your site's layout. Choose the one that fits your needs best. You'll be provided with a snippet of code. Simply copy this embed code to your clipboard, and it's now ready to be pasted into the HTML of your website. And there you have it. You've successfully gone through the steps to embed your online form using Paperform. Remember, embedding forms makes them not only look more professional, but also allows for a seamless user experience on your site, boosting interaction and feedback. If at any point you want to make changes to the form or its settings, you can always log back into Paperform and repeat these steps. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in embedding your Paperform form.